Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are back, that means you love my content, and if you are new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this Upart wig. This was my very first Upart wig that I bought and I tried on, and I absolutely love it. Like, I have discovered a new realm and I am not going back to lace wigs. I'm telling you guys this from now. So if you are someone who does not like lace wigs but want to try wigs, this video is for you, so keep on watching. So this is the hair. I got it from ALLOVEHAIR. This is the packaging, a cute duster bag just to store the wig in afterwards. It came with the wig, obviously, and it came also with a wig cap and a scratch and win card that you could use to, I guess, scratch and win a new wig. But this is the wig that I got. It is a 250% density, 24 inches, Upart 2x4. Honestly, you guys, this hair felt really soft to begin with. It was thick from root to end, you guys. Root to end, it was thick. The ends were not thin at all, and this is exactly what I love, as you guys can see. It came with a band as well, and 4 or 3 clips, and 3 clips to secure it at the top as well. So this is how the hair looks after I wash it. You guys always wash your hair. You don't know where the hair has been. It's been traveling from China or wherever it came from to wherever you are. So make sure you always wash the hair, and you also get the best quality when you wash it out. I wash my hair every single time with silicone mix. It brings it back to life and makes it look good. So now I'm installing the wig. As you guys can see, there is 3 wig clips at the top just to secure it, and the band. I don't put the band in because you guys know I don't really like bands because it makes the hair really tight and I get a lot of headaches really easily. So I take that band off, and that is just the 3 combs to secure it onto your head. So this was my first time actually wearing and installing a Upart wig, so I learned a lot. So I'm going to tell you guys some things that I figured out while I was installing it. So first off, you don't want to have the leave out too much, especially if you have short hair. Because my hair obviously is not 24 inches yet, or 28 inches yet. It's gonna be there soon, okay? You don't want there to be like a hard demarcation of where your hair stops and where the wig is. So that is one thing that I learned. Also, if you don't cut the hair into like layers, just make sure that your hair blends really well. My hair is relaxed, but because my hair is Tex-Lax, there is still some kinks to it. So you have to make sure that you blend your hair really, really well. And that is something that I learned while installing this Upart wig. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just making sure that the part I have out is enough for the wig, and it was spot on. So that was really, really good. So the reason why I chose a Upart wig over a lace wig, y'all, like, I'm over the lace, to be honest with you guys. That is not my ministry. I have learned that and I have accepted it. Melting laces and make them quote unquote invisible, that is not where I am good at. Like, I'm not good at it. I tried over and over again. I just don't like the way it laid on my face. I don't like how it doesn't look as natural as it could be. So I'm like, you know what? That is not my ministry. I tried, I've been there, done that, over it. So let's get some Upart wigs. Now that my hair can stay blended better, longer, let's get this installed in. So definitely recommend Upart wigs if you just cannot get the hang of the lace. And the lace ministry is not for everyone, okay? So I honestly don't feel bad that I don't get the lace part. Like, I'm over it, to be honest. All that stuff on my head, I just don't like it, and I love that I could take off my wig every single night. That is something that I appreciate. So this is the length of the wig. It's a good size, good length. I do want a bust down, okay? So look forward for that video. But this is how it looks on me. I'm satisfied. So let's get to really installing this hair and make it look good. So what I did was I washed my leave out because right now I am doing the castor oil treatment. So my hair is very, very oily. So I just washed it out, make sure that it is clean. That is the first step to having a good leave out and a good blend, making sure that your hair is clean. So what I did was I washed it really quickly, and now I'm blow drying it on cool air. You guys, I do not use heat in my hair for blow dryers at all, especially if I'm going with it. Especially if I'm going through my hair with the flat iron afterwards, I do not use heat with the blow dryer. And you guys, this has made a huge difference. My hair just feels so amazing. It feels stronger because I'm blow drying my hair with cool air. So if you guys have been using heat, I highly recommend you guys try cool air. It just does something for your hair. And honestly, you guys, my hair did not fall out once when I was doing this method. When I use heat, you find like breakage all over my desk, but this time it was good. And you can see how healthy my hair looks at the front, which is amazing because the front for everyone, and me too, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, is heat damaged. So doing this method just minimizes the heat and it just makes your hair look good, bring it back to life, and stay strong. So this is my hair. It is all dry, blow dry with no product in it, and it looks strong, it looks healthy, and I am super happy with the way it looks and it feels. So I'm just gonna put that part away just for the leave out, and then we're just gonna get started into installing this wig. So in my opinion, I spread it out a little bit too wide. So you want to make sure that the U part is not as wide but thinner. This will cause you to have less leave out, which means less hair out, less maintenance, and the blend will look even more seamless than it could look now. Now, if you want a good flat iron, like a silk press, I highly recommend the BioSilk Silk Therapy. I've been using this a lot lately. You guys will see in my past videos. This has definitely helped my hair look shiny, weightless. The oil is not heavy at all, so it does not weigh down your hair, and it just brings that shine and that flow to it, making your hair look a whole lot better, bringing it up to a whole different level. So I highly recommend you buy it. To be honest with you guys, I got mine from Winners and it was only $10.99. If you go to the hair store, you guys are paying upwards of 30 bucks. So definitely try and go to Winners and see if you get it there, because I got that big bottle all for $10.99. So now I'm just going to flat iron the hair. I got my flat iron from Amazon. The link is down below if you guys want to see what I got. It's Wave Talk, and honestly, this is probably one of the best flat irons I have used so far. It is 1.5 inch wide, so it makes my process go by so much faster. I like to do only one pass, so I believe this is on like the highest setting, 450. If it is my natural hair, I will not go past 300, but because it's not, burn baby burn, okay? I am going to get it at the highest temperature to get the sleekest look. So my trick is go as slow as possible to make sure that you get every hair, and you also do the chase method as well, just to make sure that every strand is being straightened, and you go slow. That way you don't have to go through the hair more than one pass, and this method has definitely worked for me. So I absolutely love doing it this way, and even though it takes a little bit longer, you only have to do one pass, and again, the hair looks so good. Another tip is you don't want to take more hair than the flat iron. So because my flat iron is 1.5 inches, you don't want to take anything bigger than that. Even smaller is better. If you're using like a 1-inch flat iron, you don't want to take more hair than 1 inch. That will ensure that your whole head gets done and everything looks straight and clean, and you don't have to go through the hair more than once. Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind. So I am done that one side. This is how it looks. It looks nice and straight and flat, and the other side, it looks like it needs to get done. So let's get the other side done, but you guys can definitely see the difference, and I love how it turns out. And this honestly took me like 15 minutes, no time at all. So definitely take your time doing it. Even though it seems like a longer process, it is shorter because it prevents you from going through your hair all over again, and just makes your hair nice and straight. And don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within a car. Alright you guys, so I am done. This looks really good. It feels so soft. The hair quality is actually really up there. So I do highly recommend ALLOVEHAIR. It holds the flat iron good. It's really sleek, it's nice, it's soft, it's full, it's shiny. This looks amazing. It's giving silk press realness, okay? But hold on, when did we ever start calling it silk press? I thought it was just a good flat iron. My mom was gonna go hot comb my hair, okay? That's what I grew up on. But anyways, so as you guys saw, I put down the temperature on that flat iron real quick, okay? It is to 180. Y'all, I am so scared to get heat damage on my hair. I will do everything and anything just to protect it, but we lowered the temperature all the way down, okay? So 180. I'm just also putting some heat protectant in. You guys know I always use argan oil, and I also got this BioSilk leave-in conditioner. It acts as a heat protectant and a moisturizer as well, and that is all I use on my leave out because I don't want it to be too heavy, and these oils are all lightweight, so when I flat iron my hair, it's not gonna be weighed down. It's gonna look nice, fluffy, clean, and well blended.
As the leader, teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I first did that pass, my hair did not straighten out at all. I guess 180 was just not high enough. Again, I am so scared to have heat damage in front of my hair, so what I did was I upped the temperature, I think, to about 300. Yeah, it was climbing up to 300 and I kept it there. I'm like, okay, I'm not going higher than 300. If it ain't flat, if it ain't straight, it ain't straight. That's it, just it is what it is at that point. So I am trying to blend out my leave out, and like I told you guys, I left a lot of leave out, probably too much, so you could see how my hair ends and where the wig starts. So again, if you don't want that, make sure you guys have as less leave out as possible. Again, less leave out means less work, less heat damage, less maintenance, so that is something that you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna fly my leave out and show you guys how the final look turns out.
Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in.
And this is how it turns out. Ooh, she knows she a cutie. She knows she a 10. Okay, this hair looks so good. I haven't had a bust down middle part in years. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. So this is really well. You guys can see how my leave out just flows. And this is why I'm saying don't put a lot of product in your hair when you are flat ironing it out, because you want that flowiness to it. You want your hair to just blow and go with the wind. So this is why I highly recommend you buying some BioSilk and just putting it on your hair, because you won't need all that oil and extraness that you put on to make your hair look this good. So we're just going to do the finishing touches, do the edges. I'm not going to cut any layers to this hair because I don't know what I want to do with this hair yet. I don't know if I want to make it into a bob. I don't know if I want to layer it. I don't know what I want to do yet. So we're just going to keep it as is. I just want to show you guys the quality of this hair and how it looks.
Be out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guarding.
So it's been a week since I installed this Upart wig. I took it out because I washed my hair yesterday. And I'm actually pretty impressed because the wig is actually holding up. It's really good. It does not get tangled, okay? I have other wigs and clip-ins that get tangled. Like this wig does not get tangled at all. Again, it is thick all the way down to the ends. So as I was wearing this, I really want to curl it. So I'm going to put it on again today and curl it and see how it holds the curl. That is the ultimate test, okay? How the hair actually holds the curl.
Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
So I am done curling my hair. I love flying curls. Like they just have me in a chokehold. I swear, flying curl is so pretty. This is how it looks. Hope you guys could see it properly. I also didn't cut layers in this wig because I don't know what I want to do with it. I don't know if I want to cut into a bob, a lob. I don't know yet. So I'm keeping it as it is for now. So I'm just going to add curls to my hair and finish up the style.
the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me, everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just did my face a little bit and I absolutely love the way this hair turned out. As you guys saw the second time around, I didn't put as much leave out as the first time, and honestly it looks so much better. You can see the blend it just looks better on a whole. This is how the curls turned out. I absolutely love flattened curls. It's just faster, it looks better, it holds for me a little bit longer than a barrel curl, so this just looks amazing to me. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys learned a little bit of something. Okay, I'm honestly gonna invest more into Upart wigs rather than lace wigs. Like, I'm not opposed to it, but I just know my ministry is not lace. But this is how the final looks like. It just looks bountiful. Again, if I had layers in it, it'll look even more fuller, but honestly I am happy with the results. And 14 hours later, this is how I looked. I just came from work. I did not put any hairspray in it, just to note. So this is how the curls look without the hairspray. Obviously it dropped a little bit, but for it not having hairspray, the hair really held the curls really well. I'm gonna show you guys the back view soon. But absolutely love this hair and this company. Again, this hair is from ALLOVEHAIR. Definitely try it out. It's from Aliexpress. If you guys want to know the link to the exact hair I got, is down in the description box down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the thumbs up if you learned something and if you like this wig. Love you guys. Bye.